What's up, guys? Class is now out, how to earn on Turo. Go ahead and buy it. First 200 students get 20% off. Codes will be in the description below. Now's the time. Try you guys flood my DMs with questions. Now you can buy the course to find the answers.
I'm a real one, my day ones. Try to speak up, can't say none. Try to dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money, then save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top from the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's the flex. Not a human, I am from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish.
What is up, Innovation fam? How's it going? It's me, your host, your neighbor, your mentor, your guide. My name is Brandon, owner of Innovation Property here in Atlanta, Georgia. Back at it again for another video. As always, thank you for taking the time out today to tune into my video. Greatly as always appreciated it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for future videos. Check me out on TikTok and also on IG. I have all the links below in the description. So let's jump into it, guys. So today's video is going to be around the 2017 Chevy Corvette Grandsport. So recently, the Corvette the Grandsport was in the shop again for a rim issue. This is the probably 9th or 10th time I have to take this car into the shop in the last 2+ years of ownership that I had the vehicle for cracked rims. So from what I understand, there's a lawsuit going on right now with Chevy over the cracked rims on the Grandsports and also the Z06s. So I'm gonna be doing some research on the lawsuit and possibly how I can get involved in that and get some of my money back around the rims. So overall though, you know, the Grandsport's an amazing car, fun to drive, does very well on the platform as far as revenue and has a great audience, people that want to rent the vehicle. But when it comes to the rims, it's pretty serious. Every month I'm at the rim shop getting the rim repaired or having to replace the rim. In this case, I had to replace the rim and order a new one. So I was able to find a used rim on eBay for a good price. Brand new, they're about $600. So I was able to get a used one on eBay for about $250. And I also had to get a new tire too for the vehicle because it chewed through the tire when it cracked the rim. It wouldn't hold any air. So I had to buy a whole new tire. Thank God I was able to find another one of those online, also used slightly or gently used for about $200 for the tire. So all in all, I'm out of my pocket $450, $500 just for a cracked rim on the Grandsport, because when the rim cracks and it's not repaired, but you gotta get replaced. So I couldn't rent the vehicle out for over 4 or 5 days because it was down until the new rim and tire had to come in and get on the vehicle, guys. So that is one of the things that goes on in this business. Like I talk about all the time, as far as having to be on top of the maintenance and service. And when little things happen, you take your car out of commission for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, depends on what it is. In this case, it was just a rim I had to get replaced. And thank God I'm resourceful enough where I had to, reach out, make some phone calls and have them ship it out a little bit faster and pay for overnight shipping for some of these products. Because sometimes you can wait weeks and months at a time for products to come in that need to go on your vehicle, even as small as a cracked rim or getting a new rim or a windshield or whatever it's going to be. It can slow down your progress when it comes to your inventory, guys. So again, this is part of the journey. You guys going to be here with me. I'm going to go over all the details as far as, everything that's possible on these cars. There's going to be a video on it. I'm going to give you guys content so you guys are not surprised by what goes on a day-to-day basis when it comes to maintaining your vehicles and how to get them back up and running so that they're in good shape. Because you don't want to leave your customer with, have products that aren't fixed correctly or they're having issues, because it'll come back and haunt you and bite you in the butt. So as you guys know, I like doing things the right way. I like being upfront honest with my clients. So, you got to take care of your people and they'll take care of you through good ratings and coming back and being repeat customers. So thanks again, guys, for joining me. I appreciate it. This is the video on the 2017 Grandsport rim. Hopefully it's going to, hopefully the new rim's going to last long and we'll have to have another video about it being down again. But thanks again for your time. I appreciate it.
I'm a real one, my day ones. Try to speak up, can't say none. Try to dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money, then save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top from the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's the flex. Not a human, I am from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish.